Those who accomplish great things in life pay attention to the little ones. This quote applies in two ways. In the first way, the most undermined thing, the most neglected. And the second way, focus. Let me start by explaining in the first way. Those who accomplish great things in life pay attention to the little ones in the context of what people neglect. For example, in entrepreneurship, an area where people don't want to deal in, if you make sure that you improve and advance it, it will help you a lot. It will help you so much that you will be prosperous. Then another thing for the second part is focus. Those who accomplish great things in life, they focus on just what they want, that is the little ones. You don't see somebody has started artificial intelligence and you run to. You don't see somebody has started maybe a shop and you run to liquid soap making and you run to. No, you don't grab everything. You focus just to what you want. That is focus and specialization. So you pay attention to the little ones. That's how those who achieve great things in life handle things. Thank you.